Today marks an eventful occasion as we gather to enable some spirit and chart a course for living greater success in business. Together, we ignite passion and potential and for stronger community.
Job here today is to give you a preview of leveling up your ability to do your sales and also your marketing.
Sooner or later, maybe 2025, kawala na yung mga land-based protectors natin. Even the competitors, magdadivert na sila dito, sir. But ngayon kasi is nakuha sa Panasonic technologies, lalo na sa protectors.
Of course, dito, stay motivated. Hindi gawin mo pa din yung mga ways mo para makapag-promote sa client even though medyo mababa yung sales mo for this period. And then, yes, work hard lang siguro.
Yung maging totoo ka lang doon sa ginagawa mo, then be consistent lang doon sa product na sa service na binibigay sa
Remember, the goal is not to impress, the goal is to be understood. The goal is to sell at the end of the day. But the more you make your choice of words complicated, the more it will turn off the customer. So you need to use a right balance of choice of words.
Why Panasonic can provide 3 years warranty? Unang-una po, yung quality kasi ng product. Sure kami sa quality ng product. Durability, then may mga test po kami ginagawa. Kaya kaya namin mag-provide yung mataas na warranty.
As a sales po, dapat alam natin kung ano talaga yung produkto natin. Meron dapat tayong knowledge. Alam mo kung saan yung mga target market nila, product usage, yung mga ganyan po.
Kayo, let us know. Project registration lang kailangan. Tutulungan namin kayo mga restrictions, promotions. So, again po, i-maximize natin yung showroom namin.
Ayun.